Honda Riding Assist is an experimental motorcycle model Honda developed by applying proprietary balance control technologies Honda amassed through its research in the field of robotics. Honda's aim for this model is to offer motorcycle riders greater peace of mind and make life with motorcycles more fun for people by mitigating the risk of a fall. By the motorcycle balancing itself, touring and motorcycle life is made easier, and more fun, without sacrificing the fun of riding. The Riding Assist is powered by eDrive, an environmentally friendly power unit. This model marks a step towards realizing Honda's 2030 vision of enjoying the freedom of mobility and a carbon-free society.